that now, shall we?
And welcome to Dorito and Lucha Cabre. And today
We're going to take our Predator 212 engine and put it into our buggy today.
it's a Klipper Sidewinder Go Kart.
Let's get on with it, shall we? What you got to do to get this engine into the buggy is get a big strong guy like Dorito here to put it in for you. Let's see if we can do it, shall we? He's stronger than he looks. This isn't just all fat. Kind of looks lined up, too. Thanks, Dorito. We can take it from here. Now that you got Dorito to do your dirty work, you can get on to the easy stuff. We've already put in 3 of the bolts to lock down our engine into our cart. Let's take the other one and show you what to do. You gotta come around here and put your motor mount bolts through the engine and down through the engine plate, lining them up as such. Then you take your lock nut and your other washer and install as necessary. There you go. Just like that. We have also taken the liberty to pre-route the chain into our clutch here. So, what we need to do now is bring the chain around and now attach it together. You take your master link and then you can put it through and just loosely leave it there for now because we're going to adjust the chain. Once that's all on like that, you can take your whole assembly and pull it back to where you have a tight chain. Why, people? Because everybody loves a tight chain. All right. Once we go through the lineup process and make sure that everything is aligned right, so you don't get your undies in a wad when you're driving down the street, then we tighten everything up. Let's do that now, shall we? Got everything in and adjusted. We can put our master link back together. As you can see here, we've put the side of the link in, and now we're going to put the clip in. So you put the clip facing downward, the flow of rotation. If your tires are going forward, you put the clip down. So let's tighten it up and move on from there, shall we? Now that we've got our engine bolted up into our buggy and all the extremities tightened down, we can send Dorito here for a test drive. This should be great. Join us, won't you?
Let's get on it, shall we?
geography lesson today. Hey, Dorito, what's the capital of Thailand?
I don't know. What is it?
Bangkok!
Now that we've got this thing running, we need to do a live axle. We need to do a new rim. And we might do a couple upgrades down the road, like an intake and exhaust. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to push the like button and subscribe!
Don't forget to smash that like button.
Rock on! All I see is buggies. Buggies day and night.
Luch, what are you doing?
He's back! Help!
Come over here and grab this engine.
Ah!